May sound off topic for now, but stick around, it will make sense. Why is it that when you make New Year's resolution, you don't stick through it? It is not because your goals aren't persistent, it is not because you haven't made a determined, systematic plan onto it, although these are one of the factors for why you have not achieved your goals. The core reason for why you haven't achieved the goal, the divine feminine reason of why you haven't achieved your goals, is because you made the goals with self criticism in your head, with self hatred, self criticism, um, um, saying bad things about you, and then picking on bad things about you, and telling yourself that you will only be good enough if you change. Let that be the resolution of, you know what, if you are someone who sleeps a lot, you will only be good enough if you wake up every single morning. So your resolution fucking should be, my god, I can't help myself, I'm sorry. I usually don't cuss, I have no idea where this is coming from, but your resolution should be that you wake up every morning at 5 a.m. and you tell yourself that. Nobody tells you that. Maybe somebody have initiated this conversation, but you tell yourself that, and it comes from the place of self-hatred. I am me and I am bad. That's the conclusion you have made. And this is why you don't achieve anything, because hatred is not the expansive energy, and that's, thank god it's not. Oh god, just imagine if it was an expansive energy, and if you could work on it, it would stretch on. But love is the true energy of true any high vibrational energy. If you know the chart of vibrations, one of the high vibrational energy is love. Love is a true energy, and when you come from the place of love for yourself, and then you set the goals and your desires, you have the heart to fulfill it. You have your head in it. You're making the systems now. You're there, right? You'll achieve it, or at least you'll do your best towards it. Not try for 2-3 days and then just give up. Self love is something that is important. I hope that this gave you the understanding of what is self love. This is also important in a twin flame journey. And I know that I gave you a different example, but try to understand.